This is the Moneymaker. On our channel, you will find countless ways to earn money online. A second income, a profitable side hustle. The ability to work from anywhere in the world. The ability to make money passively. Financial freedom, quit your 9-to-5. These are just some of the ways starting to earn money online could benefit your life. But with so many different routes to take, where do you start? That's why we're here. At The Moneymaker, we research the newest, most successful and untapped ways to make money with only an internet connection. We'll lay out the pros and cons of the methods and strategies for making money online, such as affiliate marketing, dropshipping, freelancing, typing, investing, cryptocurrency, and even mundane things you do daily like playing games and listening to music. And we'll guide you through the process, step by step. Whether you've done it before or are just starting out, you're bound to find something new and exciting that will suit your life. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We are bringing new ideas to you every single week. So, shall we get started? Come on in, we'll see you in the next video.